Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode of our tested series. Today I've got a sweet Z6 fitness band. Let me show you how it works. Alright, I love how crisp and clear the screen is and how responsive it is. Simple tap and boom, you are in. Alrighty friends, so when you pull it out of the box, this is all you get. So you might be wondering, where's the charger? Look right down here where it says USB. This simply pulls apart and you are good to charge it. That way you never lose your charger, which I have done with my other fitness bands. Slick. When you keep clicking, you can see your options. So right now I've got 560 steps. If I want to do my heart rate, I can just long press. I can measure blood pressure. You get your SpO2, the weather. You've got your camera so you can take pictures. You can play your music and pause it. And you can use the training button. And then if you long press, you can pick your trainings. If you tap through, those are your choices. The one that I find weird is the swimming, because in the instructions they tell you don't take it in swimming pools. They also tell you shouldn't shower with it as well. If you pick one of these, so pretend I do walking, if you long press, you'll get in it, and then it'll track your walk. If you tap once, you can pause. You tap again, you can get to finish. If you want to finish, then you have to long press to stop it. And then to get out of the screen, you have to go all the way through and finally long press on back. Alright, let's see if we can pull off a selfie mode on video. So tap, 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 tap. I've got the shutter. And there we have me pressing it. So it does work. Alright friends, so as you can see, there's all kinds of cool information in the app. It is early in the morning, so you can see my numbers suck. If you go into the faces, this is a fun one. You can make it look different. I love the notifications. Look at all the different things that you can be notified. I love that there's so many options for what we can keep track of. Alarms are super simple to set up and create. And this is one I needed to fix. My units were showing metric, and I want imperial. And then you could also change all the other things you want. Alright, so on the app, there are so many things that you can get your notifications from. There you can see I got a Facebook one, and it says, well, hello there. Alrighty friends, so there you can see it is a crisp display. It's got lots of options for notifications. I love the workout stuff. I'm not real fond that you're not supposed to take it in the pool, because I do have a swim pool, and also I don't know about taking it off every day in the shower because I'm just used to always keeping mine on. But I love the display, I love the colors, I love how the notifications pop up and all those cool options. So my friend, if you're looking for a new fitness watch, you can check a link in the description below. If you found the video useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know this brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.